Hey guys, so I literally just went downstairs to pick up my shipment. So we have 3. I think I know what the first one is. I'm trying to get my sister online. Let me see. I have to open Facebook here now. Then we have this one, and then we have this one. I think I'll start with this one because I know what this one is. This is like the main cocoa. So this is the case for my laptop, because ever since they fixed it, it has been naked. I usually have like a screen here, like this black skin on it, but it hasn't been working for, I mean, they changed the whole screen here and I lost this thing, so there was no way I could get it. So that's why I got a screen protector. And it's pink, guys, for it to be cohesive with my brown color. I could have sworn that they usually were seeing the piece of clothing, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna open it. I hope it works. This one I have gone to destroy this thing. So it feels very plasticky. It feels like it can easily break if you like struggle with it or something. So let's see, how do you put this? Okay, it's this way. I'm not taking out the black one just because. I hope it fits. So it's now, and the problem is when you now try to open it, you might be pulling on the cover instead. Like, see, especially if you have your nails on. But yeah, I guess this will have to do for the meantime because it was super cheap, so why not? Yeah, this is what it looks like. By the time I pull my Apple sticker, which I'll be getting when I get my new phone, I'll just put it here and some fancy, really nice stickers. That would be good to go. I actually want my sister to be with me while I'm unboxing this. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. So what I have here, I have actually opened it. These are tubes for wholesale. There are plenty of them. So this one, this really small one, I'm going to try to insert a picture here, is going to be available for my wholesale babes in Lagos. So it's coming pretty soon. By the time this video will be going live, everything should be like ready and already selling in Lagos. So yeah, this is all the tubes that I have. I have this same quantity going to Lagos. This one is for my pimps in US, those of you that are looking for this tube, because this tube is actually very hard to find. So, you know, just happy that I'm able to help you guys. So let me show you guys closely what it looks like. Somebody already ordered, so I was already packaging her stuff. So, and I like the way that it comes in a roll like this. So this is a roll of 10. Super cute, and it's super easy for you, so it's not like scattered. The last time I ordered this for myself, when I didn't have this, the lady used this shrink nylon for covering food to wrap it. but it comes like this for everybody who orders. So yeah, and it will be said sold in 10. So this is a roll of 10. You can buy 10, you can buy 20. So you just multiply it by 2 or 3 depending on the quantity you want. So times 3 means 30 tubes, times 2 means 20 tubes. So that's that with this one. I'm just going to put this back into the package that is leaving. Yeah, I'll create the shipping label later, Jerry. My lips are super dry, so you know what's up. And I'll apply our lip gloss. This is the tube, the one that I bought for wholesale. This is what it looks like. It's big, it's really nice, and it has a big applicator. So literally, me, I just apply it like twice because I like having a lot of gloss on my lips. But for some people, just one swipe, one application is enough. So you just apply, because it's big, it takes out a lot of product. So it's really nice, guys, really nice. So buy. If you're in the US, this will be sold for $24 for $100. Sorry, $24 for 10. So but in Lagos, we're still trying to finalize our shipping, getting it to Lagos. So once they have been cleared by customs and we've gotten it to the house gone, they would know how much to charge per 10. So you guys should look out for that. If you're interested in our lip gloss wholesales program, then join the pre-order list. I'm sure by the time this video goes up, we're already selling already. So you can just go send us a DM on MBP Bosses or send us a WhatsApp. I'm going to leave details in the description box and purchase if you're interested. So that's with the case. I like it. My laptop feels slightly heavy, but it's better for it to be heavy than for it to be cracked. But it's really cute, pink. Okay, so now let's open.
What's up?
I'm fine. Oh, our container, this thing has arrived. See? Okay, so I'm going to open it now. Now that my sister is here now, she's the one gingering me. So where do we start from now? I cover this with the blood of Jesus, blood of Jesus. Okay, we have another box with so many tapes. So I'm so excited. My hands are shaking too. Why am I so scared? I've done this before, so it's just I wish I had a phone. I would have done this unboxing on TikTok. But the pink boxes look so cute. See? And I've not even opened it entirely. Okay, so let's start off with our wig tag. So small. Wow. These are the wig tags. 120 pieces. Thank you for your purchase. Oh, they added extra 20. These are for my wigs. So you know those tags they put. Anyway, I don't know if Nigerians have started doing it, but here in the US it's like a big thing. You make the wig, then you sew this onto it, and of course you guys know it got to be pink. This is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like. and it's woven, so you just sew it on. So I have some videos coming up very soon. I'm contemplating whether I should upload it on this channel, since this channel is already monetized, or I should upload it on my hair channel. I'm still thinking about it, but you guys are going to see me sew this. It's so cute. After I ordered it in pink here, I was not like, won't pink be easy, won't it get dirty easily, you know? So but yeah, I like it. I have a ponytail order that I did today, so I'll just quickly sew it. As if God was just waiting, telling her she should wait, because she was supposed to come pick it up on Friday, but she didn't come. So she said she was going to pick it up today. I haven't spoken to her since, so I'll just quickly sew it to the wig before she comes. And that's that. This is what it looks like. I think they added extra 20, even though my order was 100. So it's super cute. Did you like it? Did you see it? Yeah. Yes. Now for our lashes with our new cute boxes. Oh, look. Even though I told her not to package it, but they don't hear. So, and then they went and put the lash style like E11 now. They put the E11 on the distance, so I have to start taking them out. I don't know why these guys don't hear. Like, she's just doubling my work times 2. So this is one of our lash. Yeah, so in case I didn't tell you guys, adding simple lashes to our collections. All the lashes that we currently have are 25mm lashes, and I noticed that anytime I go for makeup jobs or somebody wants to buy, maybe after I made their hair, they're always like, oh, the lashes are a teeny bit too long for them. So I'm like, now that I have natural lashes, you have no choice but to go, you gotta buy, because it's simple, it's really cute. I bought samples of this, I tested them out. I also asked my customers, you know, sent the lashes to them for them to let me know which were their favorites before I picked and made my purchase. So it's really cute. See, you know, I also got like additional samples of 25mm because we gotta expand, so more options for my beautiful customers. Yeah, see, this was why I told them not to pack it in boxes. This was how I wanted them to pack it, like this, and then I'll just do the whole packaging myself because it was gonna crush like this. So this is so annoying. Even after I specifically asked you not to, you still went ahead and did it. So one thing I noticed is the styles are not consistent. Like these two, they're the same styles, but can you see it's very different? It's very different. It's like the one that I said I didn't like. So I'm going to send her a picture when I get my phone, because I don't understand what she's doing or what games she's playing. Okay, then the extra boxes and white cases. This was how I wanted her to pack it, but apparently these guys don't understand English. So this was me that I cannot even speak Chinese. So that's that. Then what is this one? Oh, my nails. You know when you order stuff and you're like, they are person nails, so I can be taking nice pictures, because to make nails here, their nails are a bit pricey. So these ones are not for sale. These ones are for my personal use. So I got 3 sets. I like the way they packaged it. It's like, you think that these guys are like serious people, but yeah, it's really nice. See? It's so cute. Can you guys see? Yeah. It's green and leopard brown. Yeah, it's nice. I like the way they packaged it. And the second one is pink, of course. It's bright everywhere, so you guys might not really see it. But this is, yeah. Yes, and then light pink at the roots, and I think this is white. Who doesn't love white? So cute. I really like the packaging. Really cute. Okay. Okay, so I asked her to add samples of the next item, rather, are magic liners. Look at how cute this is. Can you see? Yes. So let's open it. I specifically told them, don't pack it. They didn't hear. This is what it looks like, Jerry. MVP. Oh, we're going global. Ooh, see.
Amen. Oh.
Yeah. She should. Yes. This is what it looks like. I wish they made the logo bigger, because now I'm just seeing eyeliner plus Lash adhesive.
Hope you're not putting your bed.
I asked her to add the sample of their beauty blender. Of all beauty blenders to add, this lady, they don't hear what you went and added rainbow. What am I? Who is going to sell rainbow beauty blender, for goodness sake? See, I don't know who is going to buy this. And it feels like for each line that demarcates each color, there's like an actual line. So it feels, I'm feeling line all the way to the bottom. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And as I said earlier on in the video, if you're interested in purchasing some items for your lip gloss business, you can follow us or send us a DM on MVP Bosses, and would attend to you. We have tubes for sale. We have different types. Oh, I forgot to show you the other one. So this is another type that we have. It's heart shaped, almost like the small one that I showed you. So this small one, I would say it's slightly bigger than the Fenty Beauty tube. If you know the Fenty Beauty tube, yes, that's what they both look like. They're really nice, and not a lot of people are using this one, so it will be a good thing for you to jump on this and pick it up as soon as you can, as soon as we launch. And I'm grateful for everybody that's joined our pre-order list so far. Like, anytime I get an email notification, so just joined your pre-order list, the name of the list, and I'm always like, wait, what? People are actually signing up. Oh, I can't believe it. So I'm really grateful to every one of you that have joined the pre-order list. Don't worry, we are working really hard to launch very soon. It's just with all the current situation going on in Lagos, everything has been either on pause or a little bit slow, but I got you guys, don't worry. Don't worry. And for those that are joining the pre-order list, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the products will be available, well, not all of them, but most of them will be available to you at discounted prices. So make sure you look forward to it and shop as much as you can, because once the price goes up, it's going to remain, and even if we do sale, it's not even going to be as low as what we're selling it to you. So make sure you take advantage of it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.